Now we're going to talk about visuals. Because visuals are incredibly important. And I advocate using what I call visual vernacular. And that is, anytime you're going to make a point, think about how can I convey that visually. Go look for an image, look for an animation. And I'm going to show you where you can get those. And my favorite saying, in terms of visual vernacular, is say cow, see cow. This comes from television news. Television news people know that if they're talking about a cow, they've got to show a cow on the screen. They know no matter how many words they use to describe a cow, nothing beats a picture of an actual cow. So fortunately, scientists have all kinds of opportunities to visually convey your work. So, for example, if your work is distinctive, you can show how distinctive it is visually. You can do a video, animation, something to distinguish your work from other work. If your work has some relevance to something in the news, this poor diseased cow, you can show the problem. You can show newspaper headlines. You can connect your work with the news of the day. If your work has some relevance to a popular trend, this is a trendy cow, then you can show that trend, on Facebook, Twitter, whatever. If there's a trend, you can connect your work to that trend that they know is going on. If your work has human interest, this is a personable cow, then you can tell the stories of the people in your work. Tell the stories of people who've been affected by your work. If your work has a historic context, you can show historical images, historical video, and to talk about how your work connects with what they know is the history of, say, oil spills in the Gulf or oil spills elsewhere. If your work has new technology, this is a 22nd century cow, you can show the machines. Now, you notice I did not say cow, see cows. One of the cardinal sins that scientists commit is to put whole herds of data on the screen. They love to put all the data on the screen. If you're going to talk about brown cows, just show brown cows. And this is a good example. I got this off the web. This was used in a presentation. So this person had to put all this information on the screen. You know they're not going to talk about all this information. You know they're going to talk about one disease or one issue. Why not just pull it out and put it on the screen alone? This person also showed this caption and committed another cardinal sin. You don't put text on the screen that's not meant to be read. So many scientists do that. They think, I've got to put this text on the screen, and I know it's in 12-point type, but it needs to be there for some purpose. Don't put it on the screen.